Hello, Remax Action First. What we're going to go over is uploading a revision document to your checklist. Meaning, if you accidentally added the wrong document to your checklist, this is how to correct it. So you go to your checklist in Transaction Desk. You should know how to access it. We went over that in a previous video. One way is the right column here and click on checklist, or through the main box on the dashboard that you may have added and you click go to checklist. So you're on your checklist and you're trying to upload your escrow receipt. But you click on it and you notice, oh, I added the wrong one. Don't worry, it's really easy to fix. If you see this little watch symbol, you simply click on it. This item is in the queue for review. Would you like to remove it from the queue? Yes. Click the watch, remove it from the queue. You click on these three dots here, and it now says upload a revision. If you do not remove it from the queue first, you will not have this option to upload a revision. So you click upload revision. It gives you the drag and drop box. Drag and drop the correct document. It says it's uploaded, so you can always view it to see if it is. Oh, that looks like my escrow receipt. Okay, good, now I have the right one. And your last step is you'll want to put it back in the queue for review. So this little button here means it's not ready. If you click it, send this document for review, yes, it'll again will have the watch icon. And this watch icon means that it's ready to be reviewed and approved. And that is how you upload a revision to your checklist in Transaction Desk. Thank you for watching.